How to install the CO2 laser. Check and cut off the fixing belt for shaping. Install the red pointer and the laser tube carefully. Install the water chiller. First, fill distilled water into water chiller. Second, plug the water tube and alarm signal cable. Machine outlet to water chiller inlet. Machine inlet to water chiller outlet. Third, plug the power cable to stock on the laser machine. Then we can install air pump. First, install the air pump pipe. Second, plug the power cable to stock on the laser machine. At last we need to install the blower. First, connect blower to laser machine with exhaust pipe. Second, plug the power cable to stock on the laser machine. Then all parts are installed well. Turn on the laser machine. First, turn on main power switch. Second, turn on the water chiller. Third, turn on the emergency button and the laser key. The laser machine was protected while you turn on it. You can turn on water chiller and close all doors. The protection status will be lifted. Then click reset. The machine will back to original location, the last time where it located. For safety, XY axis cannot move when any door opens. You have to close the door, then the XY axis can move normally. You need also close all doors when you control the laser via remote controller. Option touchscreen industry PC. We will pre-install all software or driver before we send it out. If you use your own computer, you need to install RDWorks software step by step. When everything installed up, you can ready to do laser engraving cutting jobs. Put an acrylic plate flat. You can test the Z-axis table up-down. Press autofocus to lift the materials to right focal length. And we can start laser engraving and cutting. First, import the vector files. Second, set the engraving cutting parameters. Download the file to laser machine. You can download the engraving files via USB cable or Wi-Fi. Select the engraving files. Turn on the fan and exhauster. Start engraving. Put a new plywood, then click autofocus. Click frame, you will see the engraving area. Select another vector file, adjust the size and parameter setting. Draw a circle with cutting parameter to cut the engraving pattern.